Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about multiplying fractions. Let's answer this. Find the product. 1/3 times 2/5. First, we start by multiplying the numerators. We have 1 times 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. Then, multiply the denominators. We have 3 times 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. Since 2/15 is in the lowest term, so our final answer is 2/15. Another 2/5 times 3/7. First, we start by multiplying the numerators. We have here 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then multiply the denominator. 5 times 7 equals 35. Since 6/35 is in the lowest term, so our final answer is 6/35. Another problem. 3/4 times 5/8. First, we start by multiplying the numerators. We have here 3 times 5 equals 15. Then multiply the denominators. 4 times 8 equals 32. Since 15/32 is in the lowest term, so our final answer is 15/32. Next, 3/4 times 4/8. First, multiply the numerators. We have here 3 times 4 equals 12. Then multiply the denominators. We have here 4 times 8 equals 32. Now, reduce 12/32 to its lowest form. 4 is the greatest common factor of 12 and 32. So, divide both 12 and 32 by 4 to simplify. So, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Therefore, our final answer is 3/8. Another problem. 5/6 times 2/5. First, multiply the numerators. 5 times 2 equals 10. Then, multiply the denominators. We have here 6 times 5 equals 30. Now, reduce 10/38 to its lowest form. 10 is the greatest common factor of 10 and 30. So, divide both 10 and 30 by 10 to simplify. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. And 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Therefore, our final answer is 1/3. Another problem. 2/4 times 5/8. First, multiply the numerators. 2 times 5 equals 10. Multiply the denominators. 4 times 8 equals 32. Now, reduce 10/32 to its lowest form. 2 is the greatest common factor of 10 and 32. So, divide both 10 and 32 by 2 to simplify. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And 32 divided by 2 equals 16. Therefore, our final answer is 5/16. Quiz time. Let's answer this. Find the product. Write your answers in the lowest terms if possible. You only have 5 seconds to answer. 2/5 times 1/3. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 2/15. Next, 1/2 times 1/4. Time's up. The answer is 1/8. Next, 4/5 times 2/5. Time's up. The answer is 8/25. Next, 3/7 times 1/4. Time's up. The answer is 3/28. Next, 5/7 times 3/7. Time's up. The answer is 15/49. Next, 2/4 times 3/6. Time's up. The answer is 1/4. Next, 2/6 times 1/2. Time's up. The answer is 1/6. 2/5 times 5/7. Time's up. The answer is 2/7. Another 3/7 times 7/10. Time's up. The answer is 3/10. 5/9 times 6/8. Time's up. The answer is 5/12. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about multiplying fractions. Thanks for watching.